Hello YouTube, welcome back. I got a new card holder from YSL KLCC over the weekend. I thought, why not do a first impression on this one? And why not start with the packaging? To me, it looks sleek and simple, just like what the brand represents. Now let's unbox this. Here's what I got. A dark beige color longer version card holder with a zipped coin pocket. I'll leave a link to this wallet in the description below. It features the iconic logo in brushed gold. The gold is slightly matte, but it's still shiny. This is a beautiful grain calfskin leather. It looks durable. There's 5 card compartments on the back of the wallet. Okay, so let's transfer the cards from my current card holder to this YSL card holder. As you can see here, I tried to fit as many cards as possible on this Fendi card holder. As you can see, I can fit about the same amount as my Fendi card holder, minus 2 cards, but I can still fit all of the cards if I wanted to. That means you can fit about 6 to 7 cards comfortably on this card holder. You can also place some cards on the coin pocket, but you won't be able to zip the compartment. I don't think it's safe. Here's the biggest cash bill I have at the moment. It can fit in the coin pocket if you fold it in half, but I don't think it's safe too. You should be able to use the zipper if you fold the bill twice. Now let's see if the card holder can fit into this bag I got here in front of me. First is my Prada nylon reissue. The card holder fits into this bag and with more room for other essentials I carry with me. Let's look at how the card holder fits into the Chanel Rectangular Mini. I have the blue Rectangular Mini here. The bag's dimension is similar to the regular Rectangular Mini. The card holder fits with some room for other essentials too. Let's see if the card holder fits into this extra mini Coco handle. I have a Chanel shopping vlog and unboxing of this baby linked above. The card holder does not fit on the back compartment of the bag, but it fits snugly on the front compartment. I don't think I'll use this card holder with this bag particularly. You might need a short card holder with this bag. For reference, I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro. This is not the biggest size, it's the smaller size. Alright, that's all for our first impression on this YSL card holder. I hope I helped you a bit, and thanks for watching. Bye!